What's up, YouTube? Is it recorded? Ah, yes. So, let's make some survival. Just survival. Let's say Hunger Game. Let's go Hunger Games. Let's go for Hunger Games. Why did I up in the tree? Oh, not. Why did you make it? Ah, sponge this wood. Yay. I wonder if Minecraft would be like in real life. This tree will be punched and the tree will be fall. So let's grab some crafting table. Let's grab some crafting table. Crafting table. Cause crafting table is awesome. Let's punch some wood. Let's punch some wood. I said let's punch some wood and let's make some axe and chicken! Give me your chicken. Chicken Ryan! Where are you, chicken? Chicken! Ha! Give me your feather. Excuse me. So, the goal of this game is to get some wood. So, let's punch this. Okay. Now I'm done punching. I'll make some pickaxe. And dig. 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 Lol. 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 Okay. Oh! For the first time, I found an iron. Oh my god. Iron. I'll be right back. Just wait a sec. Okay, there's some stone. I'll be right back. I'll be back. Excuse me. So what do I get? Okay. Ooh, where am I? I'll be right back with you. I'll be back. So, whoa. Here's my. For the first time, I found an iron. Oh my god! Give me my iron. Iron. Oh, another iron. Oh, another iron. Oh man. I accidentally pick. So now let's dig. Just dig it. Digging is good. Digging is great. I wonder if I can find a coal right here. Excuse me. Oh, I am sick. So now, why? So axe upgrade. So let's punch this, or let's chop this. Let's chop some wood. Chop 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 chop. Let's get some wood. Okay. How? Some. Okay, let's make some house. Let's make it simple. Just simple. Nothing else. Let's make a simple house. Let's make it simple. Let's make it simple. A simple house. That's all what I need. A simple, good house. A simple, nice, warm house. Let's make some house. Let's go sing, shall we? Comment in the description below if you want me to sing. Oh, the baby is crying. Wait a minute. Wait a sec. Oh, here. Better here. Now let's continue. So here we are, building some house without a window. Just don't mind about that, because they are just neighbors. They're just neighbors. What? I wish a friendly creeper will go in my house and blow my house, and the house is done. The house is destructed. Okay. I need buttons. Redstone. My first house. Build a house. Oh, I need. Just don't mind about that. Ouch. let's make 15 cobblestones, shall we? Okay, now it's 10. We need 5 more. 5 more. So we need 5 more, 5 more, 5 more. I think I thought so. Let's make it 20 for the better alive. 19 and 20.